Worried about accidentally deleting important photos from your Canon camera? There's a built-in feature that lets you protect images with just a few clicks. It's simple. You can protect your images so they can't be erased unless you remove the protection. In this video, I'll show you how to protect your photos. Let's protect them right now. So, first, turn on your computer. Press the menu button. Go to the playback icon 1. Then select the Protect Images. Now select the Set button. Now here you will see 5 options, like Select Images. By selecting this option, you can manually choose which images to protect. Then select Range. By selecting this option, you can protect a range of photos. Next, All Images in Folder. By selecting this option, you can protect everything in the current folder. Then, All Images on the SD card. By selecting this, you can protect everything on the memory card. And lastly, Unprotect All Images on Card. By selecting this option, you can unprotect all of the photos that you protected. So, select one of them. And this is how you can protect all your images on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.